Mastering academic collocations. Boost your TOEFL and IELTS scores. Hey learners! Welcome back to our series on the essential vocabulary for TOEFL and IELTS. Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic collocations. These are combinations of words that are frequently used together in academic contexts. Mastering these will not only make your essays sound more natural but also impress the examiners. Collocations are words that naturally go together in a language. Think of them as best friends. In academic writing and speaking, using the right collocations can give your sentences a more polished and professional touch. For instance, we say, conduct a research, instead of, do a research. Both might make sense to a non-native speaker, but the former is the preferred academic collocation. Let's get familiar with some common academic collocations. 1. Conduct research, not do research. 2. Play a crucial role, not play an important role. 3. Draw a conclusion, not make a conclusion. 4. Face challenges, not meet challenges. 5. Provide evidence, not give evidence. These collocations might seem small, but they can make a big difference in how natural and academic your language sounds. 1. Practice makes perfect. The more you read academic texts, the more you'll encounter these collocations. So, immerse yourself in academic journals, articles, and essays. 2. Use flashcards. Write down collocations you come across. On one side of the card, write the collocation, and on the other, a sentence using it. Review regularly. 3. Join study groups. Discussing topics and writing together can help you identify and use collocations more naturally. 4. Get feedback. If you're practicing your writing, ask someone, maybe a teacher or a study buddy, to highlight incorrect collocations. It's a great way to learn. Using correct collocations can 1. Boost your writing score. Examiners appreciate sentences that flow naturally with appropriate collocations. 2. Enhance your speaking responses. Your answers will sound more fluid and natural. 3. Show depth of knowledge. Using academic collocations can demonstrate your understanding and proficiency in English. Remember, while collocations are important, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Always focus on clear and coherent arguments in your essays and responses. Thanks for joining us in exploring the world of academic collocations. With consistent practice and attention to detail, you'll soon be using them like a pro. We hope this video aids you in your TOEFL and IELTS preparation. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next video.